Hello from the very beautiful Rethymnon. We are almost in the middle of December, and together we will enjoy a little bit here at the beach of Rethymnon. The empty beach, no sunbeds, just an empty beautiful beach with a very refreshing breeze of air here from the sea. Rethymnon is very beautiful even in the winter time, and I always talk to the people that you must try even once to come here when it's not the summer season but in the winter time, because it's very different and it's beautiful, and it's absolute worth just to do it once a time, and then you can choose. We are almost in the front of the Porto Rethymnon hotel. It's that big one here, and it's always strange to be here and to compare it with the summer when everything is full of sunbeds. I think that it's very beautiful now. The weather is great. We have a little bit of wind, and it's perfect just to do a walk inside the city, or even here. You can see often people with their dogs walking here at the beach side and enjoy this beautiful place here. The city is preparing for the Christmas time. You can see beautiful decorations all over the city from many shops with beautiful lights outside of their shops. And today you can see many Christmas bazaars around in schools, in the city, in the town. So many greetings from Rethymnon. Enjoy your day, and until the next video, stay tuned, of course. You can see that the hotels have prepared for the winter, secured their sunbeds here.